Hi, my name is Hither Mann. Thank you for watching another YouTube video. This is one of the most requested videos I've had to do because everyone asks me, how do you get started in Forex? Because so many people from all kind of backgrounds can do this. So first thing you need to know is we live in a digital age, which means this is something you can do using the internet, your phone or your laptop and anywhere in the world. So let's go with the mobile phone, for example. First thing you need to do is download a piece of software called MetaTrader 4 from the App Store. So it looks like that. And when you open it up on the App Store, it will look eventually like this. Okay, so what does that mean? You've got a list of currencies there, pairs that you've picked, and then these are the two prices, buy and sell, and they're fluctuating with the time right now because it is a current market day. Now, usually, if you download it off your phone, it's not linked to a broker. Now, what is a broker? A broker, in a very quick summary, is the middleman connecting you to the bank. Because normally, you cannot pick up the phone to a bank and say, I'd like to trade some euro against a dollar. They're not interested in speaking to anyone unless you've got millions in the bank, and that's about it, really. So this is why Forex is such an amazing thing for anyone from any background, because you can start from as little as £250, as long as you've got the right broker you're working with. Now, if you're unsure about which broker to work with, then I have a link below for one of the ones that I recommend because it's a pretty good broker. Just from personal experience, they've got very good customer service and they look after my clients, so why not? Next thing you need to know, there's two types of trading platforms, demo and live trading. Now, live trading is what I prefer because it's real money, real psychology, everything else. Now, demo, a lot of people try and play with to start because they're not sure what the market's doing. And to be fair, this is fairly okay if you've never had any education in financial trading and you just want to get a feel for it. So demo trading is fake money, but realize it's fake profit and it's also fake psychology because you can get trapped in thinking you're actually really good when you're gambling away, which is something I hate. So I don't really like demo. So if you can, try and avoid using demo for longer than 1 month because it will get you into bad habits. Next, live trading is something you want to do with real money, as little as £250. Now, the broker that I've given you a link to, you can do that, £250, and you can trade real money. Try and get educated in the financial markets and go straight onto live as quick as possible, because live trading and live money, real profits and real losses really teach you a lot more than the demo accounts. Okay, so next you want to get onto education. Education is very important. Now, you can do that from ideally getting a good mentor, and that is the best way to be good at trading financial markets. I would stay away from things like Baby Pips, Forex Factory, anything that is teaching online, forums, home traders, etc. Now, one thing about private traders, they will talk about how good they are, and unfortunately this market is full of fake accounts and they show fake results, a bit more demo stuff, for example, and it's not so much about how good they are. A good educator will create better students. So let's see how good the students are. So you want to see a track record of their student results. For example, for me, I have all my students, well, as many as I've got on YouTube. I've got thousands of students I've taught over the years, but I have got so many students, including 2 vice presidents of tier 1 banks that are working with me and have made some great results, and I've put them on YouTube so you guys can see. So find out what the student statistics are, what people are making, what risk are they taking, and learn about the student experience because ultimately that will apply to you. The most important thing in your education that you must get is risk management. Risk management means how much are you willing to risk on your trades per day, per month, however long you look at it, in a year or 6 month profile. So you need to understand that whoever you learn your education from, make sure they teach risk management very, very strongly. I, for example, teach the rolling risk strategy, which has been an amazing strategy. No one has blown an account using that strategy ever. And then you might ask me, well, okay, what can I read? Now, the best books are going to be something that perhaps I've written, of course, where I'm going to have my book out very shortly. If it's already out, check the links below. It will be showing on this video. Secondly, any books by the man called THARR. This guy is amazing. Why? Because he talks about risk management in the way that I fully agree with, and I don't think you can go wrong with that kind of stuff. Next, constantly learn, constantly educate yourself. Take trading like a university degree or a lifetime challenge. It's way stronger than a 3-year, 4-year, 5-year course. It's a lifetime. So really do trade and educate yourself throughout your years, and not just for like a week or a month or even 3 months and think that you should know everything, because the biggest journey in trading is learning your psychology of trading. Because when you start losing, that's when people go crazy. They don't know what they're doing with themselves, and that's when things go out the window. When you stop trading, you start gambling. So please know the difference and really be strict with your education and put it into practice. Lastly, if you're still stuck and not sure where to go, well then contact me on the links below. I have events on financial trading and for markets, and I have students there who talk about their experiences. I love taking on new students, especially those who are very dedicated, especially those who really want to take it seriously. I'm happy to teach you, and I have a lifetime mentorship. So I'm very selective with my students, and if that's you, then I'd love to work with you. So in the meantime, hope I helped you with all the questions you possibly had about financial trading, how to start, etc. If you've got any other requests, please message me on the links below and I will try and put a video out for that. So like this video and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.